Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna replace this part, which is emergency hazard light switch or button. As you can see, if I hit this, it's not coming out, and as a result I'm getting this light on. So I need to change it. It's kind of important because so many people wait while I'm standing on the road, and it's easy to fix, even though it's my first time fixing it myself. So let's just stay with me to see how I do it, to see the rest. So guys, this is Acura MDX and I'm using this now. So I will just pick this. Okay, so as you can see, I did it easily. So I'm gonna push it out, this one. Okay, I have two parts right here. This is for the stereo speaker, and I'm gonna just disconnect this line from here. It's better if I twist it, or as you can see, it's right here. Only one line is connected. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this one. It's okay. So now I will remove this. Then I will remove this part. I can see my air vent. So guys, I need to put this one outward so this can get out of the place. You don't need to open this screw or that screw. Okay, so I was able to do one side, this side. Now I'll do the other side. So as you can see, it's coming out already. Right now I'll clean everything. This is old. I have never changed it. Now it is working. I don't know, maybe something fall right here, and maybe that was sweet, and that what was stuck in this button. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this very well. So guys, I cleaned this part, and now I'm gonna match the old and the new parts. So this is the new parts, which I got it from junkyard, and this is the old part. They are similar. Okay, now I'm gonna put this one all the way. So I pushed it, it went in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the cables. So guys, I'll put this one all the way to the back, and the other cable goes right here, which is this cable. Okay, so okay, I have the beep, and this one goes to this one goes right in. Okay, I had the beep. Now I'll test it. Okay, this one also not stacking. So now I'll put everything back. Okay, so let's start with this, the top one, and if I do it all together, it could be easy. Okay, it's easily fit, doesn't look like coming out. It's so easy, guys. Well, before I do that, I was very worried, then how can I replace it? And now I know anything you do for your car is pretty much satisfying. Okay, no problem anymore. So thank you so much, and if you guys think this video is helpful, please stay with the channel, like, share and subscribe. And pretty much any MDX you can do it like that. Thank you.